Hello everyone, I'm Sugat and today I will compare two major corporate governance models, that is the shareholder model and the stakeholder model. These governance approaches influence how organizations make strategic decisions, allocate resources and create value. To explain this concept, I have selected two Sri Lankan companies, that is SoftLogic Life Insurance PLC and Avance PLC. Right. The what is corporate governance? Corporate governance refers to the frameworks of rules, relationships, and processes through which organizations are directed and controlled. Good governance ensures accountability to shareholders while also maintaining transparency and ethical business practices. Effective governance improves organizational performance, reduces agency problems, enhances investor confidence, and support sustainable growth. Different governance models determine whose interest managers prioritize when making corporate decisions. Moving on to next, the shareholder model argues that management primary responsibility is to maximize shareholder wealth. This perspective was strongly promoted by economics Milton Friedman. Under this model, the managers prioritize profitability, return on investment, and increase in shareholder value. The next one is stakeholder model. The stakeholder model takes a broader perspective. Instead of focusing only on shareholders, it recognizes that organizations have responsibilities toward all parties affected by business activities. Managers must balance the interest of employees, customers, suppliers, communities, government and investors. Although balancing these competing interests can make decisions making more difficult, this model generally supports long-term sustainability, strong corporate reputation, and great organizational resilience. Moving on to next, the comparison of two models. Comparison these two models shows significant differences. The shareholder model prioritizes financial returns and shareholder value, often emphasizing short-term performance. In contrast, the stakeholder model aims to balance economic success with social responsibility and environmental sustainability. Today's global business environment increasingly encourages companies to integrate stakeholder interests because long-term profitability often depends on maintaining positive relationship with multiple stakeholder groups. Sophologic Life demonstrate several characteristics. That is case number one. Stakeholder governance model. As a life insurance company, maintaining customer trust is critical because policyholders invest for many years. The company focuses on employee development, customer service excellence, digital transformation, and corporate social responsibility initiatives. It also promotes financial literacy and responsible insurance practices. These governance decisions may involve higher short-term costs, but they strengthen customer confidence, improve employee engagement, enhance corporate reputation, and contribute to sustainable profitability over the long term. The case study 2, Avance PLC. Avance PLC provide a useful example of decisions that strongly support shareholder value while still maintaining responsible governance. The company has diversified into retail, consumer electronics, manufacturing, property, finance, and logistics. Many strategic decisions emphasize profitability, operational efficiency, market expansion, and increasing shareholder returns. Investment in new business opportunities, cost management, and productivity improvements contribute to strong financial performance. In conclusion, both governance models contribute to organizational success, but they emphasize different priorities. The shareholder model strengthens financial performance and investment returns, while the stakeholder model promotes long-term sustainability, trust, and responsible business practices. These are the references.